Acceleration Lab.
Acceleration Lab.
We may consider Acceleration Lab as a subject that lasts 6 months and ends with Demo Night, which is when we present our startups. And my group is the last one to present and is about energy floors.
Acceleration Lab is this class where we're going to make this project happen.
Forces you to work with people that you wouldn't work with on your own, create new friendships between people that you wouldn't have expected it to.
The next month was just about thinking what our project would have been, and at the end we settled on this website, which we called Handy, which is basically Vinted, only that it has an extra option, which is donating.
We decided to motivate people to throw things away rather than on the floor by having a bin that can say something and you're curious to know what it would say or do, then people would want to throw it away in the bin rather than on the floor.
So we created a bin, a website and an app, which work together to make people understand that recycling correctly can really shape a community.